Best high graphics Android games. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you about best high graphics Android games. So the first game will be PUBG Mobile. If you guys don't know, you guys can go to Play Store or search for PUBG Mobile. Here we go. That game has very best graphics. The second game will be Call of Duty Mobile. So let's search for Call of Duty. Now here you guys can see Call of Duty Mobile, so that game has always best graphics. The third game will be the third game is Mud Out 2. So I will simply search for Mud Out 2. You guys can search for Car Mud Out or Mud Out 2. So I'll simply search Mud Out 2. Once I search for that, here you guys can see Mud Out 2 Grand Auto. So that game has best graphics. If you are want to play car games, you guys can play that game. And thanks for watching.